you enter North Gate at UWE off Filton Road. Once through the gate, take the second exit right on the roundabout. Following the road down and around, you take the second left. At the top of this lane, you'll be in front of the Exhibition and Conference Centre. Turn right here. Approximately 50 metres on your left, you will find the barrier for Future Space Car Park. Use the 4-digit passcode we shared with you. Once through the barrier, drive towards the top of the car park, where you'll find the blue badge parking and other available spaces. Park up and make your way to reception, and we'll see you there.